It's market day! Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Leah and I run the small crochet business Crocheting Dreams, and today we are off to another market. I was gonna record us packing the car, but it was very hectic last night and so that did not happen, and I'm sorry about the rattling. That is that thing. Anyway, so we're off and we got Dutch Bros and Starbucks because breakfast and drinks, yeah. This is gonna be very interesting, so I will see you and update you once we get there. We made it and we've started setting up, so after we finish I will show you our setup, but we're not quite done yet. Actually, I thought that it would be a pain to get all my stuff here, but it wasn't too bad. The people, so that's how we had to get our stuff. It was golf carts with like little baskets on the back. And I thought it was going to be more of a pain than it was, so that was good. And so yeah, we're getting set up, and it's really hot out here, which is not super fun, but that's okay. Okay, so yeah, I'll show you guys the setup after we finish setting up. Now 10:30 and we are finished with the setup as I just showed you. The market starts at 11, so I guess we're just gonna hang out. It's really windy, which is not fun because everything's blowing over. Anyway, we just finished taping all my signs to like the table. So anyway, that's really fun. Otherwise, what time is it? It's 10:40. I should go show you guys the vendors. There's quite a few vendors here actually. But yeah, see, on the stage. So they were doing a mic check. Oh look, there's more people over here. Let's go look. We're just gonna walk through them. See what people have. I really like earrings, but let's not buy any more because I have way too many. Wow, this is really cool. Ooh, more crochet. Really big pillow. I really like it though. Okay, preview's dropped. Look, they're wind chimes. It sounds so pretty and they're made out of spoons. That's really cool. T-shirts and hats. Full of adult content. More crochet, guys. More crochet. Well, I think this market will go really well. You know, there's lots of people here. Well, not really, but you know. Okay, we're gonna head back to my booth now. Dates. First of all, it has started. Second of all, I sold my seal finally. I'm so happy. Guys! So I have this jail, right? Look, do you see it? You see it? I know you do. And then that little thing next to it is the card I showed you when we were walking around. But anyway, the dino I had in there sold. He sold. So mark your tip. Do that. It's really cute. And then people, the logo was like half the free and it was so cute. So recommend. Oh yeah, guys. So I'll show you. So I have these ones. And some lady asked if I had 6 of them, but I don't. But she took a card, so maybe she'll order. I don't know how well you guys will be able to hear me because it's very loud, but we made back the booth fee, so yay. And I almost died because some girl came up and her hands were like covered in ice cream and she proceeded to like reach out and touch my stuff. But it's okay, everything is fine. It's all fine. Anyway, that's like all I have to share. Haven't been checking in. We have one more hour, and it's been going pretty well. Look, I've sold quite a bit of stuff.